Located on Wodjemup, also known as Rottnest Island, is the Wave modular apartment building. The innovative design is made up of modules at sizes 3.5 meters by 8 meters that make up the units. Each apartment is designed to provide occupants with comfort and benefit their well-being through access to generous daylight, natural ventilation, comforting natural materials, and curved interior walls, with each of the rooms having views to nature, each apartment having outdoor deck spaces for connection to the outdoors. The proposed design solution is a multi-level unit typology consisting of 2 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom units, 2 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom units, 4 2-bedroom and single-bathroom units, and finally 4 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom units. The design allows for valuable communal spaces for residents and the public, with an abundance of native gardens and social dining spaces. On the ground floor of the building is the Pedal and Flipper bike hire. Adjacent to Bedford Avenue is a cafe space with outdoor dining to allow for the public to be invited within the space. The design weaves around the existing native trees and vegetation that is located on the site to allow for biodiversity to be increased and preserved, as well as to sequester carbon through the existing native trees. The design allows for disassembly and reconfiguration through a use of glue-laminated timber as its structural system. The design solution focuses on minimizing the embodied energy of the project by using carbon-neutral and carbon-negative materials, such as hemp-lime biocomposite walls, which are made from hemp hurd, lime binder, and water. This material is 7 times stronger than concrete and 3 times more flexible than concrete, which is important in modular transportation to minimize damage. Hemp-lime walls are highly insulative due to their density, while also being fire and water resistant, effective acoustic barriers, and are non-toxic and antibacterial, allowing for a healthy building for the occupants. The glue-laminated timber, structural columns, and beams have over 100 years life expectancy, as well as being a healthy building material. They are 3 times stronger than steel, making them effective use for modular design and reconfiguration for future adaptability. Timber is a highly effective building material for environmental benefits due to its carbon sequestering properties, as well as its ability to be reused. The floor-ceiling component of the modules is a highly efficient Rippman flooring system. It can be made from green concrete to reduce embodied energy. Due to its technique of using biomorphic patterns to strengthen it, it doesn't require tensing, and it has a lower embodied energy than concrete slabs and steel flooring systems, making it extremely effective for a net zero and low embodied carbon project. The Rippman flooring system can be 3D printed or precast, which allows for extremely fast prefabrication and minimal energy consumption. The design and its materiality also allows for a reduction in electrical heating and cooling, as the materials are highly insulative and thermally efficient, as well as the use of the timber screens allows for shading and passive ventilation within spaces and through walkways. Each module can stack upon the other using a simple pin connection as they slot into each other like a jigsaw, allowing for ease of construction, disassembly, and reconfiguration on the second site. The design promotes integration with the natural environment using natural materials, integrating native gardens, and preserving all the native trees on the site to sequester carbon and increase the site's biodiversity. The ground floor of the first site accommodates a bike hire facility, which is one of the largest in the Southern Hemisphere for the Pedal and Flipper company. For the second site, the modular apartments will be moved 500 meters to be reconfigured. The first design solution on Site 1 responds to the established native trees weaving itself around them to ensure they are not damaged and continue sequestering carbon and producing oxygen. The trees and native gardens are vital for improving biodiversity, which is being currently damaged due to coastal erosion on the island, demonstrating the necessity for this design to care for the natural environment of the site. By preserving the natural environment on the site, it can also benefit the mental and physical well-being of the occupants and local communities. The proposed site on Design 2 responds to the coastal location, as the facade mimics a wave and embraces the sand dunes to gently morph with the site and complement its location. The designs have direct visual connection with the site through views to the ocean, the trees, and native vegetation, as well as the materiality, integrating the colors and textures present on the island and local sites into the material palette. The distinct use of timber of the facades creates a softened look and is cohesive with the palette of neighboring buildings. The aim of incorporating the curved timber facades and screens was to demonstrate the possibility of modular design having character and integration with the site to look cohesive and intentionally designed, giving it an architectural presence.